Hello. I've been looking forward to this meeting for a long time.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Thank
good.
you.
Excellent.
Cool.
You got some deals. Fill us in.
So we've got a handful of, what we feel like are fairly good opportunities. And a couple of things I think is, wanting to understand more about how the deal funding works with Land Academy. So I wanted to learn more about specifically working directly with y'all. More for you guys y'all put the whole song and dance on, right? So there's an element of trust there. So just wanted to understand more about how that process works, how splits work, like all those types of things play out.
I'll tell you what, the best case for us would probably be to take a look at the deals that you have. And then as we're doing that, talk about whether or not we would fund it and why. And I'll tell you, you're eons ahead of the crowd because you've been through Career Path. Mm-hmm. And so we have a lot of successful lending relationships with people that have gone through Career Path.
Correct.
Okay, here's the first property. You can see my screen now, I hope.
Yep.
Passes the floodplain really well.
I love the acreage.
Mm-hmm.
I love the stuff around it.
Here's what I would do right now, depending on what your comfort level's like. I would take out a couple of, maybe 5, 6, a bunch of ads in Craigslist. And I would say, look, we've got a bunch of properties don't give the APNs, the seller's name, or the locations or any of it. Give as general of a description as you can get away with, and say we've got these properties priced at $30,000 an acre. If you want to, we're in the process of buying them. And if you want to get on my list, please let me know or email me. And as soon as we have the properties that they're all purchased, or however you want to word it, give me a call before I put it on the market. And so for the whole world to see. So if you want first run at this thing, let me know. And as soon as I can disclose it, I will.
Temperature check.
Temperature check. So if you get 50 or 60 or 100 people that are beating your door down to buy this land, which is what I think some version of it that will happen, then you know to do the deal.
Do you have students who are accomplishing, or people as a part of the academy that are on the right side or beyond?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Many people make more money than us a month, and I'm like, good for you.
I'm not sure we're in the top 10%.
Yeah.
Maybe 20.
Sure.
It's all
well, we need to make you guys proud. There could be a gem that you want to say, okay, this one would really lend itself to a subdivide, and it's just so good we can't pass it up. But
correct.
Other than that, we just look, we send the mailers, we get offers, and then when we find something we can buy really well, we buy those. And we certainly don't stretch.
Exactly.
One of the things we talked about in Career Path in great detail is not planning a mailer around that necessarily. It's trying to go out and send a mailer out, and then the properties that come back, decide what you're going to do with them.
Exactly.
You don't want to overprice a mailer because you think you're going to subdivide it. I haven't had a lot of luck with that.
Sure.
I would send it out like you're not going to subdivide it and do it that way.
Exactly.
That's right.
I'll tell you the truth, and I'm not blowing smoke here. You guys are young and you're professional and you're very bright, both of you. And Jill and I talk to all kinds of people all the time. Land Academy members, not Land Academy members, Career Path, not Career Path. And I can tell within about 90 seconds whether or not they're going to do okay. And you guys are going to do just great.
Yes, you are.
You're asking all the right questions. I'm sure none of this is happening fast enough for you, which I think is great. So
no, it's not. Great. Yeah, amazingly helpful for me because this is the first time I've gotten to talk to the people that are the experts, which is great.
Thank you.
Let us know how it goes.
Wow.
Don't forget about us.